Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to edit with a shader editor. Let's begin! Let's start! Choose Shader Editor from the Editor Type panel. When you switch the workspace to shading, it'll be changed to the best screen composition for editing materials using nodes. First, make sure that the object mode is on. This is the shader editor. It'll be displayed after you choose 3D viewport of the material nodes of the object. You can switch material slots from here. If you want to use a node, make sure that Use Nodes is enabled. If you don't want to use the node, disable Use Nodes. When the node is not used, only 4 items can be changed: base color, metallic, specular, and roughness. When building a node, the image receives input from the left and outputs from the right. The red node called Material Output is the final output. This is the default node state. Let's try to add and connect a node here. Press Shift plus A to add a node. Select Texture, and then check Red Texture. A node has been added like this. Connect the output color of Check Red Texture to the input base color of Principal BSDF. The input-output parts are color-coded into 4 types: purple, yellow, gray, and green, depending on the type of information to be transmitted. Purple is a vector, yellow is RGB, gray is numerical value, and green is a mixture of each information above. Basically, make sure to connect the output and input of the same color. Here's the display in the 3D viewport after editing the node. The Check Red texture is reflected in the material of the object. If you want to insert another node between the connected nodes, just move the node you want to insert between the nodes and it will be inserted automatically. Select a node and press M to mute the node. In the muted node, the received input data is output to the next node without being converted. As the number of nodes increases, it becomes more difficult to manage. Group nodes for ease of management. Also, the group nodes can be used in another file. Let's group these nodes. Select the nodes you want to group in a rectangle, or select multiple nodes while pressing Shift plus Ctrl plus G to group them. Then the screen display looks like this. This is the expanded state of the group. Press Tab to close the group. The green nodes called Node Group are the group nodes. Select this node and press Tab to re-expand the node and edit within the group. It's like the same with Edit mode in 3D viewport. This is a different file from the previous one. Make the group you have created into this file to use. Select File, Append from the menu. You're able to read external data such as objects from this append. You can also load node groups here. To select the file, open Node Tree folder. Here's the data of the node group created. Click Append to execute the append. To actually add a group, press Shift plus A to select the group from Group, just like when you added a node. This is the end of the lecture on how to edit with the shader editor. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.